Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Alton, and I have an unboxing for you today. And I'm so excited to open it today because this watch actually goes live today. It is October 22nd, 2021. This is going to be the second hour giant stride. I've got Paxton here with me to open up this box. Are you ready, buddy? Yeah, they can't tell when you nod your head. You have to say yes or no.
Yes.
All right, bud. Let's open it up. I have already begun to unpackage some of this because it was already taped up well. Well, you know what, bud? You can't reach because you have little arms.
I can reach.
Ooh, but you can watch. What do you see? What do you see? Okay, now this is a reviewer package, obviously, folks. You're not gonna get this when you get your giant stride. Yeah, should we open it up?
Yeah, let me do it.
You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna fast forward this while we open it up. Okay, I had to open this up off camera because it was so well taped and I did not want to injure it. Are you ready to open it up, Pax? Mm-hmm. This is the second hour giant stride, which goes live today. There's no watch. Oh no.
What happened?
I don't know. Links.
I think it's...
There it is.
It was hiding.
There it is. It was hiding.
Let me take the package.
It was hiding.
Let me take the package.
Yes.
I'll take the package.
Okay, you take the patchik.
What?
And we got more tape. I'm going to take this off camera. So this is the giant stride from second hour watches. What do you think, Pax?
Good!
Initial impressions are quite good. Although I was kind of expecting that.
Is there a sticker on it?
Screw down crown. No, there's no sticker on this one. That's why all the bubble wrap. Screw down crown. Hacks.
What is that?
Hand winds.
What is this?
Those are links.
What do they do?
Now this crown here, also screw down. And that one, as you can see, releases this mechanism.
Open the rings? You want me to open the rings?
No.
Okay, we'll put it back. Let's put it back. I can stretch. Let me put it back for people to read it.
Okay, put it back for people to read it.
Yeah.
All right, so this goes live today. I'm going to put it on my wrist, wear it for a little bit, and get back to you about how it wears. But why don't we see if we can try it on? I don't think I can, but let's see.
Before you get me, make a video with that one now.
Actually, it's pretty good. Fits me pretty well. Let's get that camera up so we can get a better angle. Yeah, I like it. I need to maybe just loosen it a tiny bit.
You want me to go put in the cabinet? Want me to go put this in the cabinet? Right here next.
All right, so that's the giant stride. I'm so thankful that they could pass this along, and I look forward to sharing my thoughts with all of you. Say bye, Pax.
Bye.
Say please like and subscribe.
Subscribe.